So my name's Robert Michael Jordan. I'm Australian by birth, and I'm currently employed on the Hinkley Point C nuclear construction project, and my role is the project construction director. I mean, today it's an absolute honour to be here at Wolverhampton University, and I'm honoured to be awarded the Honorary Doctorate in Engineering, and that's in recognition of a career, really, a lifespan of construction projects around the globe, culminating in a nuclear new build in the UK, where I've spent my time really leading different projects and focusing a lot on people. So today I'm massively honoured to be recognised here and to be here at Wolverhampton, a tremendous place to be. So through the Hinkley Point C new nuclear build, the first in a generation in the UK, we've had to really rebuild an industry, and part of that is really rebuilding some development, some programs linked to quality control of delivery. And we've been closely working with the University of Wolverhampton in developing training packages and delivering training packages to ensure the quality of the product is right and in accordance to specification. So we've been working closely and now put up to 200 students through a specialised quality development program for the project. And it'll link into the fleet of new nuclear plants we're building in the UK with the EDF and other shareholders. So it's all about ensuring that the product is fit for purpose and nuclear safety is secured for the decades to come. Yeah, when I look back on where I came from, so I'm from Northern Australia. My career was launched through an apprenticeship, actually. So I'm a tradesperson, a craftsman, mechanical, and then I entered the power industry and spent a lot of time operating power plants on shift, and then started travelling the globe, really, working in many countries and culminating in this nuclear new build program, where I've had the honour of being able to, with others, lead the rebuild of the industry, really, the new nuclear industry in the UK. And we're making history every day at Hinkley Point C, and I'm massively honoured to be here today. Yeah, I mean, to the class of 25, embrace every opportunity that comes your way, really seize the day, and really embrace people and show respect and caring for people, no matter what you're doing, where your career takes you. The foundation of success is people. And I've travelled the world meeting many cultures, and there's no doubt that one of the foundational issues in terms of my success is people, the various cultures, and maximising the benefits of that is the advice I would give.